Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to detailing photo on Snapseed apps. Let's get started. First, after you add the photo to Snapseed apps, you just click on the tools at the bottom, this one. Click on it, and in here you can click on details, this one. Click on it. And for adjust the detail, you just swipe left or right like this, and then you can swipe to down for adjust the sharpening. And after this, you can click check icon at the bottom and finish. After this, you can export the video. After this, you can export the photo, and then that's how to detailing photo on Snapseed apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing, guys. Bye bye.